Damson plums are often consumed raw or included in various recipes. They offer a number of important health benefits that make them indispensable for positive health. Delicious and filled with nutrients, they can keep the body perfectly healthy and provide it with the strength to fight numerous diseases. Damson plums consist of high quantities of dietary fibres that can help in digestion. It helps to pass the food particles smoothly through the digestive tract, removes signs of bloating and cramping, gets rid of constipation as well as revolves serious conditions like gastric ulcers and colorectal cancer. The fibres can also boost nutrient intake and assist in weight loss. These plums contain large amounts of iron and copper, which enhances the functioning of the circulatory system. They can also increase the number of red blood cells in the body. The Damson plums can resolve signs of anemia and ensure that all parts of the body receive properly oxygenated blood. The fiber present in the Damson plums can also get rid of excess cholesterol and maintain perfect cholesterol balance within your body. They also contain large amounts of potassium, which works as a vasodilator, thus removing strain on the blood vessels and helping the cardiovascular system to work smoothly. The phytonutrients present in Damson plums can help in preventing or even reversing breast cancer. Damson plums have large amounts of vitamin C, which can help to enhance the functioning of the immune system. It also plays a major role in production or WBC or white blood cells, which empowers the immune system of the body and keeps it perfectly healthy. When consumed on a regular basis, Damson plums can ensure a good night's sleep. These plums contain large concentrations of vitamin C and magnesium, which can help in effectively regulating sleep. Damson plums consist of numerous minerals like manganese, phosphorus, iron and copper, which makes it ideal for bone health. These minerals can boost mineral density in the bones and effectively prevent osteoporosis. Obesity is a major problem in today's world, and most people are always trying to find foods that can help in combating it. Damson plums contain numerous nutrients that can help in fighting obesity. The nutrients contained in the Damson plums can be used for treating and controlling diabetes and bringing back the body's glucose contents to healthy levels. A lot of ailments of the body are caused by poor circulation of blood. Damson plums can fill the blood with oxygen and ensure smooth blood circulation in different parts of the body. This can help in minimizing the various health issues that may be caused by poor circulation. It can also provide the body with added energy that can help a person to manage all kinds of day-to-day work in a smooth and hassle-free manner.